Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate in table here in Microsoft Word. Now for us to get this done, we're going to proceed with working on this particular table right here. And yeah, the way for us to get this done, for example here, let's go ahead and open table and then click the table layout, and you have the formula here. So you can click this one and then you can go ahead and basically do different formula. For example, in this case, we're going to go ahead and get the sum of those in the left column. So go ahead and click OK right here, and you can see that now we're able to get the sum. Now, what if, say, for example, we're going to go ahead and get the, say, for example, here, the average. We can go ahead and click the formula right here and delete this one right here. Click this, and there goes average. Let's just add equal there, and then let's go ahead and add a left here. Click OK, and there you go. We got the average for this one here. Now, what if, say, for example, we're gonna go ahead and get the product. So the product of something. So let's say if we are going to get the product of this one right here, you can go ahead and basically put this one, put the cursor here, click the formula, and then let's go ahead and just change this one. Click this, and we're gonna go ahead and look for product. Now that we got this one, we're gonna go ahead and write here above because we're calculating this one above. Now click OK, and you can see that now we are able to get the product of these numbers. Now there are different formulas there you can use, but that definitely is how you're going to calculate here in Microsoft Word.